Hi guys, today we talk about how can you enable caps lock on your iPhone. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click on settings here, just click on it. You come to your settings, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on general, you just click on it. So then you come to the disappear, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. You click here on keyboard here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next disappear. Then you go down, just keep going down. You come here to caps lock, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean caps lock enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.